Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about CZBANK interim report. China CZBANK Co., Limited offers a diverse range of commercial banking services to its clients. These include corporate banking, corporate loans, trade financing, corporate deposits, credit commitments, financial guarantees, debt instruments underwriting, and bank intermediary services retail banking. Personal loans, personal deposits, wealth management, cards, and other retail banking services for individual customers' treasury operations, money market transactions, repurchase agreements, debt instrument investments, equity instrument investments, financial derivatives, and debt securities issuance. The significant increase in CZBANK stock price by over 20.8% in the past year can be attributed to several factors, although none of them directly caused an increase of more than 42.55%. The banking sector as a whole has seen growth, with the financials banks sector experiencing a one-year performance ranging from plus 24.3% to plus 29.1%. Additionally, CZBANK's announcement of its 2023 interim results showing an 11.03% year-on-year net profit growth and plans to increase capital for its subsidiary may have contributed to the stock price increase. However, these events do not meet the specified threshold of over 42.55%. Net income and profit margins. A mixed picture. The financial summary reveals mixed trends in net income and profit margins. On one hand, net income decreased by 4.15% period on period, and by RMB 332 million, indicating a decline in overall earnings. However, there were instances where net income increased, such as by HKD 386 million, and from RMB 496 million to RMB 622 million. Profit margins also showed variability, with a decrease of 5.75% period on period, and a drop in return on average total assets. Nevertheless, operating income increased significantly, leading to an increase in profit margins by 4.9 percentage points. The reasons behind these changes are unclear, as the summaries only provide information on the magnitude of the changes rather than their causes. Nonetheless, it is evident that net income and profit margins have been subject to fluctuations, with both decreases and increases observed over time. The company is generating positive operating cash flow. This is evident in the financial summary, where it is stated that the company has generated positive operating cash flow on multiple occasions. Specifically on page 38, page 100, and page 163, the net cash flows from operating activities are reported to be positive for both years of 2024 and 2025. The financial performance of the company varied across different segments and regions in the recent period. The corporate banking segment recorded a significant growth of 4.67%, while others experienced an impressive 48.11% increase. The great retail segment also performed well, with notable gains in individual customers, deposits, and loans. On the other hand, retail banking and treasury operations suffered from declines of 23.03% and 20.22% respectively. The Bohai Rim region, Pearl River Delta and Economic Zone, and Midwestern China region all underperformed, with growth rates ranging from -1.53% to -24.64%. These regions also had high non-performing loan ratios, indicating potential credit risks. In contrast, the Yangtze River Delta region showed a relatively modest decline of 0.74%, while Zhejiang and Jiangxi provinces demonstrated strong performance through their cooperation with digital government platforms. Management's outlook and strategy. CZBank aims to build a humanistic CZBank through intelligent operation and customer-oriented reform. The company will focus on high-quality development, practicing financial services for good, and replacing core systems. Key initiatives include the 5 Finances strategy, which targets residents' housing needs, consumer loans, retail loan services, investment research, and digital wealth management. The company plans to maintain steady growth in custody volume and income, while focusing on digital transformation and building an asset management business brand with a customer-first approach. Additionally, CZBank will prioritize green finance by supporting green industrial chains and dual-carbon financial services through innovative products and services. A robust market risk management system is also in place, using various methods to measure and control market risks. Overall, the company's strategy emphasizes digital transformation, customer centricity, and sustainability, with a focus on long-term growth and development. Acquisitions and divestitures. Overview. The company has made significant acquisitions and divestitures in the financial sector. On the acquisition side, the company has purchased various assets including CZB Wealth Management, financial assets worth RMB 63 billion and RMB 68 billion, loans to customers totaling RMB 1.8 trillion and RMB 368 billion, and other financial investments valued at RMB 333 million. RMB 447 million, and RMB 265 million. In terms of divestitures, the company has sold financial assets worth RMB 35 billion under repurchase agreements and issued debt securities totaling RMB 541 billion. These transactions demonstrate the company's active involvement in the financial market, with a focus on expanding its portfolio through strategic acquisitions while also managing its risk exposure through divestitures. The company has a history of paying dividends to its shareholders. In recent years, it distributed cash dividends totaling RMB 4.284 billion in 2025 and RMB 4.504 billion in 2024, indicating a consistent commitment to returning value to its investors through dividend payments. That concludes the financial summary for CZBANK. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.